how to connect Facebook page with Instagram. Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how you guys can quickly connect your Facebook page with Instagram. So firstly, open up Instagram on your phone, and once you have Instagram opened up, click on your profile, and then after that, simply click on the top right where you see these three lines. Now from over here, simply click on settings, and then once you click on settings, now after that from over here, simply click on account. Now after that, simply click on sharing to other apps. Now click on Facebook. Now that's gonna take you over to the Facebook page, and then after that you can just simply put in your login and password, and your Facebook account is gonna be linked to your Instagram account. And then whatever you post on your Instagram page is going to be published onto the Facebook page or profile that you linked with Instagram. So that is how easy it is for you guys to just simply link your Facebook account with your Instagram account in just 1 minute. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Make sure to like, subscribe, and also share this video with anybody who might need it. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.